Good evening from Riviera Resort.
My favorite. My
Anna's
home.
favorite. We are back. So this was very last minute. We actually we were supposed to be on the Wish today, and plans had changed. So some of our family members tested positive, which of course does not fly for the cruise line. So that was about a week ago when we would have had to be testing for the cruise several days ago. So they, we adjusted. Disney's really good about changing your plans. So luckily, we didn't get it. We've been testing negative many times. So we pushed it back 2 weeks, which was when we actually happened to be staying at Polynesian originally. But of course, the Wish is more exciting than the Polynesian. So we canceled that. And we wanted to do something. So this was very last minute. We found a tower studio here at the Riviera Resort. So we are here for the night. And not going to do much. We're going to get dinner from Primo Piatto. Maybe stop over at Bar Riva to get something to drink down by the water or something. But just a nice little getaway for a day. So we already went up to the room and we'll put that footage in right now. Welcome to our tower studio at Amanda's favorite, Riviera Resort.
Riviera.
So this is actually the very first room we stayed in. So we are finally back. It is a really nice room setup if you're just here for like a weekend trip. Maybe you're here for food and wine, which is going on right now, and you don't want a huge room, and it costs less DVC points. So it is, as you can see, this is the room. So no full-size queen bed per se, but it comes out of the wall. So you do have a pull-down queen-size bed. It is not like a pull-out couch or anything. It comes out of the wall. So when we stayed in here before, it was still very comfortable. So you definitely still have that, and it kind of opens up the room more. So it's actually still a decent amount of space considering you don't really have a whole lot going on in here. You have a little desk in the corner over by Amanda, which has the phone. I think there's a coffee machine back there. Yeah, you got a Keurig. Ooh, got the teapods like Grand Floridian. We love the Keurigs. Got a microwave over here right by the door. Here's the door. Here's the microwave. I think this is our mini fridge. Yep, mini fridge down here. Lots of drawers for storage. Shelves, so plenty of spaces to put stuff. You got some glasses and your ice bucket here. Got some storage in the ottoman, so they definitely maximize your space even though it is designed to be a much smaller space. Have your shelving under the TV with a nice flat screen TV. Again, Riviera is one of the newer resorts still, so you have the fancy new TVs where you can stream and everything, which is super nice, as well as, which we'll look at the balcony afterwards, but full-size mirror right here by the door, and a more fancy thermostat. It's exciting. But in the bathroom, which is probably, I think we joked the last time, it's the same size as the room itself. Bathroom is absolutely incredible. So you have your closet in the bathroom. I assume there might be a safe in here. Or it's, safe in the wall. So you have that. Massive walk-in shower. We actually designed the bathroom in our new house to be modeled after this bathroom. So got all the fun gold hardware, rainfall shower head, your H2O products on the wall. Got a little bench back there as well. And then a nice long counter. It is a single sink, but it's a very long countertop.
It's a big sink. With
some additional storage down here built into the vanity as well. So I'd say more than enough storage, especially it only sleeps two. So if you're two people, it is a good size space. And a great option if you don't need a deluxe studio. And then we do have our balcony. Now the tower studios don't have preferred views like you can get in a deluxe studio or a larger room.
When it lights up through the trees.
Oh yeah, that's true. So when we stayed in this before, I'm pretty sure we were on a lower floor. So it's a very similar view to what we had before. We're looking on the parking lot. This is where we parked our car. There's another parking lot on the opposite side. But you can see over there the porte cochere with the main lobby. We get to watch all the buses come in and out. You get to see the main road out there that goes down to Disney Springs. And you can see Epcot through the trees. So honestly, it's not a bad view. I'll enjoy sitting out here tonight. I'm zooming in. Hopefully you can see Spaceship Earth right there, which, as Amanda pointed out, you'll get points of light. And you can kind of see Guardians through the trees, the blue box.
Yeah.
I don't know what else we can see.
I feel like we'll be able to see Harmonious, kind of, like the
I think
fireworks.
so. I can see Canada, I think, the point of the top of Canada maybe, straight back, and the top of the Mexico Pyramid.
Yeah.
Little tiny points of the park. Obviously, it's not a theme park view by any means. I think we were one room over last time as well on a different floor because I think we saw more of Tower of Terror last time. So this is more of an Epcot view, which I actually prefer. So still really nice. It's actually pretty comfortable out at the moment. So it's still very peaceful, even though you're looking out at the parking lot rather than the pool. So overall, still a really nice space, and we will definitely enjoy being here tonight. But we have come down now for dinner / Bar Riva. So Amanda wanted to head over to Bar Riva, maybe get a drink to go, because it's more of a walk-up bar. There are some tables in there, but I think last time we went there, we got it to go.
The mural with the Disney ship.
How fitting, how fitting.
That's why we're not eating in there. We're gonna take it and
yes.
go.
Which, to be fair, like, as much as like it feels weird to think like I could have been on the Wish right now, I don't know. It doesn't really bother me that much. Like, because I mean, again, we're going in 2 weeks, so it's not that big of a deal, and we were just on the Dream. So honestly, I kind of like that they're spread out. It'll still be the inaugural sailing, so I'm very much looking forward to that. But I'm very happy that we're here today. So we're gonna go over to Bar Riva. I left the wind muff upstairs, so hopefully this is okay audio. But we're gonna go over there, and then once we're done our drinks, we'll then go over to Bar Riva, or not Bar Riva, Primo Piatto. And yeah, we may stop at Le Petit Cafe at some point later as well. So we'll explore
all of our favorites.
All the food at Riviera. Here's of course a look at Riviera herself, that we were just standing in front of. I'm gonna head over to Bar Riva. We've stayed here many times, of course. If you haven't seen our other videos, you may not be familiar with the layout, but it's pretty easy to find everything. Everything's very well labeled. So we are heading back towards the water here, which you see the Skyliner and a Caribbean beach across the water. Over here to your left is the main pool with the tower slide. We've never actually gone over to that pool. We've only ever gone to the quiet pool, but typically it's super crowded at this pool, and today it honestly seems very low-key. There's a movie Under the Stars tonight and a campfire, which is actually happening right now. Here is another entrance to Primo Piatto, but we're going over to Bar Riva. We're gonna get something to go. They tend to have seasonal drinks, so I don't know what they have today, but we shall see what we get. Here's that mural Amanda was talking about. There's the cruise ship waiting for us. See her in 2 weeks. But we're gonna, do you want to order something?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Here is a look at the drinks we got from Bar Riva. We each got margaritas, but we got different margaritas. So I got the one that they were featuring for Celebrate Soulfully. It was the Golden Haze Margarita. I don't recall all the ingredients, but it was, of course, tequila. There was Grand Marnier in it, as well as chili bitters.
Yeah.
There was more to it, but I know those were like the 3 things that stood out to me. And then what was yours called?
Just the Riva Margarita.
Right.
It just has the usual ingredients. Like, it's just a classic margarita, orange liquor.
Is it lime flavored?
Yeah.
Looks good.
I could try to pull it up, but...
I tried mine. They had a lot of salt in the rim, but it was very tasty.
Yeah, she loaded the rim up.
If you like margaritas, I'm sure you'd like either of these.
Yes, let me see. So it's just tequila, orange liqueur, lime juice, and agave.
Okay.
And then yours, I can find it in a second. Oh, tequila, Grand Marnier, smoked chili, bitters, lime, and agave. So just a little different.
Over there, they were doing the bonfire,
oh,
so that's, yeah, we smell it from here. We are sitting at one of these outdoor tables, which is a very nice, quiet spot. So we're kind of near the main pool. You can see there's literally no one around us, so if you want like a nice, quiet spot to sit, these tables do have umbrellas around them, or umbrellas above them. There are 2 of them, but a really nice seating area. We're gonna drink our margaritas, and then we will order our dinner from Primo Piatto, which is right over there on the right. Got a lovely view of Riviera. And then the main lawn here, looks like they have a big Connect 4 set sitting out. And overall, it's really not too crowded here. So we're just gonna relax with our views of all the water and Caribbean beach and the Skyliner. And then we'll have a good dinner. Here's a look at dinner. So we actually decided, you know, we have a nice table, we're outside, it's super nice out, good view. So might as well order Primo Piatto while we're down here. So we both got what we get every time. So if you've seen us stay here before, this probably looks familiar. We got the sausage and pepperoni pizza. They are handmade here at Primo Piatto, so they are delicious every time. And we each always get a side of the herb and Romano fries, because they're also delicious. They're your typical Disney fries with a little extra, because they put some cheese in. we have come inside because it is about to storm. It was lightning, it was windy. We're gonna probably get dessert from the Petit Cafe. But first figured we'd come take a quick look at the store here. See what we got. I feel like some of this is new. A lot of polo shirts. Although the polo shirts don't have a logo on them.
It used to be all like the kids section.
Yeah, there was none of this was over here before. Is there a logo on like the sleeves at all? Or is it just not Riviera? That shirt's fun though. Yeah, everything's kind of in a slightly different layout. But most of it looks the same as what they've had. Oh, they have one of the lounge flies in stock. They're always kind of rare to find. With the matching mini ears. And I guess a matching dress. Same color scheme. Oh, it's got Minnie on it. The building. And you got it on the bow as well. There's a polo shirt with the logo. Got a tiny Bahama shirt as well. Oh, I don't know if I've seen this before. Like a pillow? There's a pouch in it. Oh. Is it a blanket?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it's like the most like comfortable material. It's not very soft, but it's kind of fun. And we got an ornament of the building. Some luggage. And door beads. Got some tried stuff. That's what Amanda finds. Premium bars. Oh, the ice cream sandwich, yeah. Amanda is an ice cream sandwich fan and a premium bar hater.
I'm not a hater. I just will prefer the ice cream sandwich over the premium bar.
The Oreo is good, but I just feel like I'm obligated to premium bar when I'm at Disney. Okay, I think that's everything. I mean, there's all the DVC stuff. I guess we could go take a look. Oh no, they have the candle. That 50th anniversary candle. It smells like the contemporary lobby. It's delicious. Every time I see it. Listen, there's special cast member discounts this month. I feel like now's the time. Maybe not today. Not today, but soon. I've been wanting it. It will be mine. But then I got some DVC stuff. A quick little walk by everything. It's everything. Pretty small store, but definitely plenty of Riviera stuff if you want it. Came to Petit Cafe to maybe get a dessert. They've got a milk chocolate ganache tart, lemon cheesecake, 50th cupcake, fruit tart, hazelnut caramel. What in the world is that? We'll go with that. But what I think we're probably going to be getting are the lemon Madeleines. We've had them multiple times. They never disappoint. They're delicious. And maybe what we get. I was going to get coffee, but like I don't need it after having the margarita. So maybe I'll get coffee in the morning before we head home. I think that's the plan. We are back in the room. I wanted to give a quick look at our lemon Madeleines. I'm sure they look exactly the same as they did in the case. But I'm full, but we're going to enjoy them anyway because they are very good. But as we were paying, Amanda made a comment to me. It was pretty quiet, but she said, I'll be back for my chai tea latte because we're going to go tomorrow on the way out because I want my almond cold brew. She wants a chai tea latte. But Desiree, the cast member who was at the register, overheard her and she's like, do you want one? And Amanda can't turn that down.
I was just like, sure, yeah, I guess. She was like, hot or ice? I'm like, hot. And she made it like quickly, and I was ready to pay, and she was like, just go. Like,
so it was a nice little magical moment for Amanda at her favorite hotel.
Yeah, so now I'm trying to go and give her a cast compliment.
Yeah, we already like paid for the Madeleines, and we didn't tip that much because it was food. We didn't order any drinks or anything that was handmade, so now we feel bad. But that was very nice of her. It meant a lot to Amanda, so now she has...
I have her name on the...
Yeah, it was Desiree. But now she has a chai tea latte to go with her Madeleines. We came in just in time. It is storming. I'm hoping... I think our balcony may be dry, because I may just go sit out there anyway, because like we're not... We have no other plans for the night. We're just here to enjoy Riviera. So we may stay in. We were going to go down to try to watch Harmonious over by Caribbean Beach, where we went on New Year's Eve to watch the New Year's Eve fireworks, but... that depends on weather. If not, we'll just hang out in the room, maybe watch some TV. and just enjoy being at Riviera again. Good morning. We are packed up. Checkout's in 10 minutes. So our quick visit to Riviera has come to an end. But
Sad.
it's sad, but we're used to it. We typically only do these one night stays. So we're gonna go take our stuff down to the car. Then we're probably gonna go back to the Petit Cafe and get coffee because I do want to get some cold brew from here. So we'll go back into the lobby and have one final goodbye with Riviera, but this will be the end of our vlog. We knew it was gonna be a short one. It was just a quick one night stay, but we wanted to, one, show the Tower Studio because we haven't stayed here in a couple years in this room category.
Yeah, it's been, I think, 2 years.
It was like right after Riviera opened, because it was the first time we stayed here that we were in this room.
I remember we wore masks. Maybe not.
No, I think masks were required indoors back. What, you're saying before pandemic?
Well, no, when we stayed in here, but maybe not.
No idea.
Well, no, because it opened the end of 2019 and we were in Disneyland. And then I don't know when we actually stayed here, so.
Go take a look at our channel. We're gonna go look later because I don't remember when it was either.
Yeah.
But it's been a while, so I'm glad we got to stay in this room category again, as well as when we posted all of the Disney Dream vlogs. We were getting a lot of comments that the audio was kind of off, so we are playing around with the audio settings. Hopefully this isn't too quiet, but we're turning down the sensitivity of the mic because this is a new camera, so we're still learning, and we want to have it all kind of worked out before we have the Disney Wish in a few weeks, as well as we get deeper into the fall, we're going to D23, we're going to go to Disneyland Paris, so we do want to kind of fine-tune these settings, so it's definitely a learning process for us, but hopefully we're getting there. So hopefully the audio sounded good. We'll continue making changes to make sure it sounds the best it can. A couple people commented about wearing microphones, and that's just kind of hard to do in the theme park, so we're hoping to avoid that. Plus, we just bought a new house, so we are not buying new microphones right now because we are spending so much money.
It's a lot.
But it's okay. We're going to play around with the microphone more. So we're working on it. Hopefully it was good in this video. But definitely subscribe. I think our next vlog, well, it could be the Wish. It could be something else. We are not going out much before the cruise, you know, with testing requirements. We just want to play it safe because we really don't want to miss the Wish.
Well, we still have Star Cruiser Part 2.
We do a Star Cruiser Part 2 that's going to come before this, though. I just have to finish editing it. Those videos are a lot to edit. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll go somewhere briefly just to like continue playing with the mic. We'll see what happens. But yeah, Wish is coming up. So definitely subscribe if you want to see the Disney Wish, the brand new Disney Cruise Line ship, and all the other fun stuff we have coming up for the rest of this year. But that's going to be it for today. So give this video a like if you enjoyed our look at a tower studio here at Disney's Riviera Resort. But that's going to be it for today. So thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time we go to Disney and beyond.